Welcome to Cayuga Beach. We are here in Cherry Blossom Festival.
No, he's going. No, he's going now.
Easy. Walk slowly, honey.
And speak louder.
It's okay. Enjoy Cherry Blossom. Beautiful creation from God.
About how reliant we are on so many things. That makes you start thinking about.
Although the weather is kind of chilly and windy, but
Yeah, it's only like 10 or 12 degrees out today.
I did not think.
Oh, look, there's the girl that
Yeah.
was posing.
I'm like even now I'm kind of like.
kind of scary. Dressing up. This is their first day, the festival, because they're just setting up. It looks like the first day. Tell the video.
Yeah, these are already past. These are past peak.
Yeah, this one. To here. Take pictures. Pictures of the three lovely babies. There's pictures, buttons there.
Easy, man. I just want to take my time to get to the stage.
Edmund.
Picture.
I wish I want mine, to be honest. I look disappointed.
Maybe picture.
Oh, okay.
Is it okay? Picture?
I'll get that, sure.
This way.
That one there's all Hello Kitty.
Oh, all of us are family.
We have to be getting this.
Oh, you want the tray? Okay.
Okay.
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
Thank you.
We're doing the Hello Kitty one?
Where's
But
the
yeah,
Hello
I wish
Kitty?
to know, but this was my
care.
view. And I just cut her up.
No,
This
this
is
is
Tantra.
not-
Actually, no. How could I just bring over here? Yeah, we all put the.
She's not.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'll be in Mexico soon.
I have for all of
Oh, yeah. There we go.
I
Here.
told you.
Rango
Here.
Goku.